Okay, Kara, listen. The app that I use to create your customized keyboard is Face Emoji. Yeah. Here you can create your you can choose to create your own keyboard by using from your gallery or using like any one of these. And also there's yeah, you can also choose what keyboard you want. Or you can choose animal keyboard like from outer space keyboard or something. Yeah, here like the just cute K-pop, neon, realistic, nature, holiday. Yeah, you can use any of this. And also here's the setting. You can you can also like choose what you want to type. I can show you how you can create. You can yeah. You press this button or the yellow button right here. Then you choose any. You can download a picture from your gallery, or you can use any of this right here. I'm gonna choose like this jellyfish right here. Yeah, you can choose your own. You choose your own how you want your keyboard to look like. You can make a default you want, but flowers, music. Well, you can't unlock. You have to. Well, you have to pay for that. But yeah, you can choose any of this. And the custom key, you can what the outline your keyboard looks like. Yeah, you can choose, and also you can color. You can choose the picture of it. You want it green, red, yellow, black, white, or even cyan. Yeah, you can customize your keys. In front, you can customize any of your text, and also you can choose what color they want to be. In the swipe, I don't know. You can do it. You can just ignore that part if you want. And the effects. Yeah, you can choose any effect you want. Well, I'm gonna. Yeah, you can choose. Yeah, you can choose any of these. Lens. You can choose how your lens you want to look like. You can choose flowers, music, snow. Just I don't know. You see these that are locked. You can't unlock them unless you want to watch an ad to unlock them. And the sound, I don't recommend you really using the sound. So yeah, once you're done, just click save and yeah, boom, it's right there.